You made it. Good morning. Thank you so much for coming to our second annual InterNETworking event. We are so pleased to have you here. Today we have a wonderful program. It's going to be fantastic because we're talking about security and smart cities. And we are also by the beach, and it's a beautiful day.
Welcome to Long Branch. I did put a request to get the weather that we have. So far, so good. At MRA International, we specialize in public sector. We understand your goals, your needs, and initiative. We've been in business for about 18 years. I started the business out of our basement. Now we have over 60 employees. We're here to support you, the customers. We're not only selling you the product, but we go from cradle to grave with the full turnkey solution. We're here for all your IT needs. This event is not just a networking, learning event. This is our way to say thank you to all of you guys, to our customers, all our customers and prospective customers. Give something back, learn something. This is us saying thank you to you. At this point, have some fun, learn something. Get to know somebody. I'll see you guys at the Tiki Bar. Sharon?
In this room and today we have a theme. We already started it this morning when the public sector CIOs met. And our theme is really shared services. How it is that we share with each other. What kinds of resources do we have inside of our organizations that we reach out and share with our citizens, with our students, with our faculty and our staff? And how do we share across the different sectors? So it's really important that MRA brings us together every year.
I want to take you very quickly on a path of a whole bunch of technologies that over the last 25 years, many of them, again, propagated from our university campuses in this country and elsewhere, have really changed our lives and our generation along the way.
I'm excited to be here. I am so excited to be here. I showed up last month on June 12th.
That was true. That's okay.
So that's how excited I am. As you can see, there's millions upon millions of critical, high and moderate attacks. And when I say critical, if the attack was successful, they would have gained access to the internal network and would have been able to do whatever they wanted.
We had a project that we wanted to get underway for our students, our special needs students, with transition students who needed real-world technology experience, almost like in a supermarket setting, where they could be ordering online, marketing. But we didn't have the assets available to get the tech part going, to have laptops for the students to do the work, to have copy machines and faxing devices and printers to get that going. All it was a quick call to Bruno. It was just phenomenal, and he's been a great partner all along the way. And has really reshaped our platform and technology and how we have a one-to-one initiative in many of our schools. And it's all through MRA, their partnership to work with us. So I just want to thank MRA and Bruno for putting this together.
Its ecosystem relies so very heavily on the industry and the companies like MRA that help everybody fully realize their technology visions and missions. So thanks to you for making this event possible.
We thank MRA, Bruno, Janine, Diane, Eric, for giving us the opportunity to get together to do this professional development, an annual event as soon as we have next year's date. I think this is a really good way to spend a day.